Yo gang, what is good? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Today we're doing a full bike collection tour and an updated house tour. So let's get into it. I got some things to show you guys. It's gonna be dope. So gang, to start my full collection of bikes, we're gonna start off with these mini bikes. You guys haven't even seen these yet. I'm gonna be making a crazy video with them soon, but let me show you them. So here we got the FRP Lil 50s, bro. And we got 5 of these freaking little pocket bikes, bro. Soon we're gonna be shredding with all the homies on every single one of these. So stay tuned for that video. Moving up from these little pocket bikes, we got the Honda 50, brother. As y'all know, this is the neighborhood ripper. This is one of the bikes I ride the most out of my whole collection of bikes. Literally every day, sunset sesh, I'm on that little 50. Catch me ripping around the neighborhood, cause that's where I'm gonna be. And moving up, you already know we got the Honda 150. This bike is a cheat code bike. It's like a mini 450. You already know about this. And we got the 125. She's clapped out right now. That clutch, let me tell you, that clutch right now is paper thin. Like, oh my God. She definitely needs a new clutch, but besides that, she's still ripping. She ain't blown up yet, which I'm surprised about. Coming over here towards the red Subi, my baby driver, you feel me? But over here, we also got the 450. As you guys know, I did go down recently on this bike. If you don't know, well, I went down. I screwed up the freaking exhaust a little and the fender. And I low-key think I bent my subframe, like this back section a little bit. But it's no biggie. Like, it's not bent enough where like it's gonna cause any problems. But yeah, it definitely sucked going down on my freaking 450 because this thing is like my baby. It was in like perfect condition before I went down, but now she's getting a little more rough. But I mean, that's what happens when you're shredding dirt bikes. But gang, dude, just look at all these bikes, bro. Like, as you guys know, I started on these little pit bikes like 7 years ago now, maybe even longer. And now just moving up from these little bikes up to these big bikes, it's just, my mind is literally blown sometimes because like this is literally my childhood dream to have all these goddamn dirt bikes and they're all like mine, which is just, it's just crazy to think about. When I was like 11 years old, I wanted a YZ125 so damn bad, bro. And I remember asking my parents, I was like, can I get a dirt bike? Can I get a dirt bike? And they're like, hell nah, bro. So I had to wait till I was 18 and finally got a job and I had enough money to get a pit bike. And look where we are now, bro. Just, we got a whole gang of bikes, dog. And yes, this is my beautiful Subi. I know I don't really show it that much on the channel, but this is my baby, bro. So gang, right here we have my 2015 WRX, and a lot of you guys always ask about this rack, how I put my dirt bike on here. So it's just a normal dirt bike rack, but the main thing I did was I had bought this extender that like extends it up 4 inches, so it makes it a little bit higher, because if I didn't have this extender, it would be all the way down there. And I would literally be scraping every single place I go. Like right now, when I put the bike on, it does lower a little bit. And I do scrape sometimes, like going up driveways and things like that. But for the most part, it don't really scrape. All right, gang, since you guys seen all these bikes now, I have a few more in the back shed that we're gonna check out. But before we do that, let's check inside the crib, because I got some updated furniture and it's just looking nice in there. So let's hop inside. As you see, we have made it to the cribo. We got our living room right here all set up. As you can see, we got the beautiful couch. We got my freaking like 65-inch TV. We got my special photo book, bruh. RP my boy Surfer. Give you guys a little teaser. You're supposed to be in the MB residence to see this crib or see this book, but so yeah, when you visit the MotoBroo crib, you get to see some crazy film photos. Behind me over here, we have my freaking beautiful little living room slash like dining room table area. Coming from the living room slash dining area, we're in my beautiful kitchen. You know, this is where all the cooking goes down. We be cooking, we master chef out here. When I was in LA, I had a 300 square foot apartment, bro. And my kitchen, this kitchen is the size of my LA apartment pretty much, which is just crazy to think of. This is one of the main reasons your boy had to get this crib, brother. It's a freaking backyard, dog. There's so much room for crazy adventures and things to do in this yard. I still been thinking, let me know in the comments what I should do. Like, I want to low-key, I want to put a little ramp back there by the shed. I'm gonna show you guys the shed too, because I got a few bikes in there also. Y'all seen this before, my shed. Let's hop into it and see what's in the bed. It's dark as hell in here. Yeah, what does that lizard have on his tail, dog? Look at homie. Yeah, so this is where all the freaking wild lizards and everything live in here with my Supermoto. So as you can see, we got the classic, bro. The classic Supermoto. This thing just has so many adventures. Your boy went all the way through Europe on it, like got arrested in Switzerland on this goddamn bike. This bike was in a Switzerland impound lot with some freaking contraband with it. You feel me? Yeah, we also have the Thumpstar. This thing is pretty toast, I ain't gonna lie. She ain't really running still. And then of course we got the Big Ripper SE bike right here. But yeah, this is mainly just sort of like storage and stuff. And my lawnmower to mow this goddamn backyard. Bro, it's just crazy. Your boy never expected to have a backyard like this. Like just open room for days, bro. I low-key need a dog or something because I got all this goddamn room in the backyard. And I feel like a dog would love to just run around out here. And over here, we got a little entertainment system, a little desk, TV, little place to sit down. As you see, the grill. But as y'all know, y'all probably want to know, yeah, MotoBroo, where does the magic happen? This is where the magic happens. Oh. So yeah, this is my room. It's pretty goddamn simple. Nothing too crazy. We got my boy Ali up here. He chilling. Y'all might be wondering, yo, what do you keep on your cabinet? And let me show you. So we got my beautiful trap phone. So gang, this is my trap phone. Just flip her up real quick. Yeah. Hit up all the bees on this. Yo, come through, come through. And if y'all want to see, oh, no, y'all can't see in there. You feel me? So gang, I'm mainly making this video for myself, for my future self, just to see like the progress of the house and you know, what's just been going on here. Because I've been here about, it's time's flying, but it's probably been around 6 months already. Maybe even more, which is just crazy. I feel like the older you get, the more time just goes choo, choo. The years are like flying by and you're like, dude, what is going on? Like I remember a year, like a school year, used to feel like forever, bro. It felt like 5 years. And now a year just goes by like this, bro. It's crazy getting older. But yeah, I wanted to make this video for my future self, just to show what has been going on at the MB compound.